If your PC is stuck near 100% even when you're barely doing anything, don't just restart and hope. Let's actually find out what's causing it. So you wanted to find the culprit. You wanted to press the Ctrl Shift and Escape to open the actual task manager. If you don't find those buttons, or if this hasn't worked for you, you can go into the startup menu section, go for right click and go for task manager. So when you open this element, let's go call the processes tab and then click that CPU column header to sort them by the usage of the CPU. Whatever as is at the top is your actual problem. So that's your starting point for everything else. If the Windows update itself is the top offender, that's usually temporarily. It clears up once the update finishes installing. So if you needed your PC back right now, you can focus into your settings, go for the left section to go for Windows update, and you wanted to pause the updates for a week or whatever. In this case, I will be just clicking inside here, and you're actually good to go. In my case, I can go for resume updates, and I'm actually good. Now, we can disable some sysmain. If a process called sysmain or superfetched is constantly high, you can go for press Windows plus R, that usually appears inside here. And I wanted to go for services.msc and hit into enter. You're going to find the sysmain that you can be finding into this specific list. In my case, I believe it's somewhere like in here. So you want to click this element and set startup type and look out for disable. So you find the list, you double click this, and inside here, what I need to be doing here is to set the startup type here where it says automatic and go for disabled. So the service can cause high CPU or some system, especially with limited RAM. If nothing obvious explains the high usage, especially the IDLE, run a full scan with Windows security. This is going to be really important. So inside here, you go for privacy and security, Windows security, and here you want to scan for a full virus threat protection. Crypto miners and adwars are a real and common cause for a CPU that's maxed out for no visible reasons. Then you can outdated graphics, chipset, or network drivers can also cause a background processes to spike. So we can focus once again here into the settings, Windows Update, and check for both Windows Update and optional drivers updates that you can find directly into advanced options. And make sure to look out for optional updates and enable those. So here it is, for example, some audio processing updates and download and install. So, and just if you're still stuck and you search for the MS configure, open the system configuration that you can be finding once again into the Windows R. So I'm gonna go and click my actual boot, MS configure, like this. Here I have, for example, the system configuration. We can go for services tab, and here I wanted to check the hide all Microsoft services, which in that case would be appearing inside here. Restart the PC, and if the CPU usage drops, one of the regular startup program was the cause, and you can re-enable them one at a time to find which one. And that's how you actually solve the high CPU usage instead of just guessing. If this video helped you get your track down, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. See you next time.